Hello friends, I am welcome back with your YouTube fashion channel Sankalp the New World. But start before today's video. If you like this video, so subscribe now my channel and press the bell icon and never missing new updates, my new videos, and don't forget comment your new thought for my videos. So let's start now. And in this videos how to make one side golden gown, one side gown cutting and stitching. I think such style are preferred for girls. I thought girls try this golden gown try for prom party and with your BF, and you try this outfit every party. I hope you are so gorgeous and pretty. Then girls, you like this video, so hit the like button and write your thought in comment box.